Welcome to day 8 of running 10,000 steps a day. May na-realize lang ako from the past videos. Panay chika ako ng English. Pwede naman pala mag-Tagalog or Filipino. But anyway, it's already almost 5. Ay, nag-English na naman. It's already 5. Tapos, I have a class. May klase ako tonight, mga 8. So, since wala akong ginagawa, I took the time para mag-walk. So, I'm now close to 10,000 and I need 1,000 more pa para mag-walk. So I just decided to film here because of sunset. Sorry, di siya makita. Today's Thursday, day 8. What else should I say? It's a regular day lang. Hindi ako nakapag-walking this morning kasi may klase ako from 7 until 3 p.m. And kaya, yun nga, after 3 p.m. wala na akong pasok. Next class will be at 8 p.m. So I decided to walk na lang. And perfect because I was able to see the sunset. Medyo malayo pa lang siya sa set. So yun. But anyway, at least I was able to get my 10,000 steps. Akala ko hindi na ako makakapag 10,000 steps today, but thank God I had time para mag walking ulit. And so, papahinga lang sandali because I was standing for almost the whole day from 7 a.m. until 3 p.m. Nakatayo lang sa klase. Medyo nakakapagod din. What else should I say? Beautiful day. Buti na lang walang bagyo or wala pang bagyo. I wonder what would it be like. I wonder kung paano kaya pag umulan ng malakas. Paano kaya makapag 10,000 steps. So we'll see. Siguro treadmill lang muna. Hopefully, Lord, sana walang bagyo in the coming weeks. And I'm excited for day 30. Now, day 8 ba? I think it's day 8. I lost track na. But anyways, I think it's day 8. And 22 more days to go. Let's see what will happen on May 30. I think that's all for now, and I'll see you tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm off, and so we'll see, and hopefully I can still get my 10,000 steps tomorrow in the coming days. So I guess that's all, and see you in day 9. Bye bye.